Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to go over some scenes that I've been working on for my first experimental horror film for the Philippines. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm getting close-up action shots, not B-roll, but action shots of this street jacket I'm using as a prop in my film, my experimental horror film. I've got what I want there. These are test shots. Next I'm going to go through this one. And get what I want. I'm going to keep trying these at different angles. Okay, so you see we just did some test shots on the prop straight jacket I'm going to use for my first experimental horror film in the Philippines in 2023. We used camera A because, again, those will be action shots, not to be confused with B-roll. But I'm sure there will be some B-roll shots in that as well. I'll add some lighting, some color, some different angles also. Alright? So I hope you've enjoyed my video, this first behind the scenes filming of some test shots of my first experimental horror film in the Philippines for 2023. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.